And welcome to WebStockman, enabling the web-based inventory management from anywhere, anytime, through mobile or desktop. WebStockman software is basically planned to give web-based inventory solutions to MSME sector, particularly for traders and those who stock items in single or multiple locations and sell those items. So mainly for those who have single outlet but would like to manage it from home or office. For those who have multiple branches and would like to control and know the stock in any branch at any time, anywhere. This is how it works. So do the purchase in head office, send it to the branches, let the sales happen in multiple locations, integrate all those sales to your Tally accounting software just by a click of a button. Know the sales done in any branch, anytime, anywhere. Know the closing stock of any item from anywhere, anytime. WebStockman has the following modules: Inventory, Stores module, Purchase module, Vendor Management module, Billing module. Also, integration to Tally accounting software is available. Thus, a complete package of web inventory, billing and accounting management software. So here we are going to give you a very quick intro demo on this huge software. In any case, if you prefer detailed demo, we shall arrange an exclusive online session. Please check our contact details to request a demo. So WebStockman is web-based inventory management and billing system is a cloud-based, web-based, mobile-compatible ERP software. It is an exclusive product for small and medium enterprise. So here we are having Inventory Masters. It is a one-time setup in which we can add all the material details and update the opening stock details. Also we can add and manage the vendor details, vendor tax details, vendor item details. Also we can add and manage customer details, for which we can do the billings and add the tax details. Inventory transactions. So here vendor management, we can store the details of all the vendors and do the price comparison before the purchase. Purchase management, create purchase orders where we can place the purchase, stock, items and materials. Stores management, send the purchased items to the stores with the detailed ISO standard GRN to invert and the stock purchased in the stores. Billing transactions, do the billing transactions of the items with GST and payment details. Once the billing is done, it is immediately reflected in the head office. Reports regarding all the masters and transactions in Crystal report format is available, where you can print, export the details to any other formats like PDF, Word, Excel, etc. Though the WebStockman is a web-based inventory management, is being promoted among the MSME sector to help them to use the advanced cloud facilities to reduce the overheads of managing the inventory and at the same time keep the cost of the software as low as possible. Thank you.